Okay, we have a Trak CNC/manual flatbed lathe, model TRL 1840SX. It has 18-inch swing, 40-inch center distance. It's serial number 082CQ16443. Machine was new in 2008. We're running it.
Running at 200 in the low range.
200 in the low range. Machine has, again, 18.5-inch swing over the bed, 9 inches over the cross slide. You have a 4-position star turret, which is programmable.
450 in the low range.
450?
Yeah.
450 in the low range. Machine has a 3-drawer chuck on it as well. I don't see it, but we have a 5C lever type collar closer that goes with it as well. 500 RPM in the high range. Machine goes up to 2500. Hold on, let me have him turn off the saw. It's okay, we'll have it. Okay, there's sawing in the background. Run the 1200 RPM. Okay. That's the hand wheel. When you move it in the hand wheel, with the hand wheels, machine acts the control acts as a DRO. You could also use the joystick for rapid. Machine is quiet in both axes. And we have to index the turret. That's index. Index again. All right, and then we have the tailstock. The tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper. And there's the quill. All right. Hey, thank you for watching the video.